Hello everyone, it's me Devavat Purandare and welcome to Team Yellow Dragon. In this video, we are going to make a square finder. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll just scroll up in my index.html and I'll make a function called final value. Oops. Go and I will make a variable called user, which is going to be, a variable called input, which is going to be document dot get element by id, and it's going to be num1. As you can see here, we had entered num1. Okay, so now dot value, and now we can see variable answer is going to be pass integer. Oh no, not pass integer, we can do it directly. Input multiplied by input multiplied by input. Okay, so now let's give a document dot get element by id. We can also use document get element by class, or get elements by class. I don't know, there's something like that, but let's say by id, and let's say text and dot value, or dot inner html, and that's going to be answer. Here we go. That was the calculator, really quick, and we are all done. Let's see if this work. Let's see if the square finder is working. Let's open with live server. Let's see. 16. Here we go. Let's say 18. 322. Let's say 43. Here we go. It is working completely. Let's say 21. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and ring the bell for instant notifications.